finding the right lathe machine isn't easy. Some models lack precision, others are too bulky, underpowered, or simply not suitable for detailed projects. Whether you're a hobbyist, DIY enthusiast, or small workshop owner, choosing the right machine makes all the difference. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best lathe machines of 2026, from compact desktop models to powerful metal lathes built for accuracy and reliability. We researched product specifications and user feedback to create this list. Check the links in the description for updated prices, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews. Number 5, OKYUK Mini Wood Lathe. The OKYUK Mini Wood Lathe is a compact woodworking tool powered by a 12V DC 24W motor that spins up to 20,000 revolutions per minute. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for DIY projects, model making, polishing, and small wood-turning tasks. Despite its tiny size, it delivers smooth and stable performance for beginners and hobbyists. The simple controls make operation easy, while its portable construction fits comfortably on any workbench. If you need an affordable mini lathe for creative woodworking projects, this is a great entry-level choice. Number 4, SucceBuy Mini Metal Lathe Machine. The SucceBuy Mini Metal Lathe is built for precision machining in a compact desktop design. Powered by a 36W motor reaching speeds up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, it features a durable aluminum alloy frame and a reliable 3-jaw chuck for securely holding small workpieces. Ideal for machining brass, aluminum, wood, and plastic, it delivers accurate cuts for hobby projects and educational use. Its sturdy construction, smooth operation, and compact footprint make it an excellent option for anyone learning precision metalworking. Number 3, Elma Zhang DIY Mini Lathe. The Elma Zhang DIY Mini Lathe is a multifunctional desktop machine designed for woodworking enthusiasts and DIY creators. Operating on 110V, 220V power, it offers adjustable speeds from 100 to 2,500 revolutions per minute for better control across different materials and projects. Its portable size makes it easy to use at home while still providing stable and accurate turning performance. Perfect for crafting small wooden parts, models, and creative projects, this mini lathe combines versatility, convenience, and dependable precision. Number 2, ZRCC01036 Mini All-Metal Lathe Machine. The ZRCC01036 Mini All-Metal Lathe features a rugged all-metal construction designed for durability and precision. Powered by a 36W motor with universal AC 110V, 240V compatibility, it's an excellent benchtop machine for woodworking, model making, science education, and hobby machining. Its solid frame reduces vibration, helping produce cleaner and more accurate results. Compact yet capable, it offers dependable performance for users who want a long-lasting desktop lathe suitable for detailed craftsmanship and learning. Number 1, WEISS WBL210E Metal Lathe. The WEISS WBL210E is the most powerful and professional lathe on this list, designed for demanding metalworking applications. It features a 400mm bed, semi-automatic thread cutting capability, a generous 38mm spindle bore, and a robust 6mm spindle design for improved stability during heavy machining. Built for workshops and serious hobbyists, it delivers outstanding precision, smooth operation, and excellent durability. Whether you're producing custom parts, repairing components, or machining metal with confidence, this lathe offers premium performance and exceptional value. Whether you're building models, crafting wooden projects, or machining precision metal parts, these lathe machines offer reliable performance for every skill level. From compact DIY models to professional workshop equipment, there's a perfect option for every budget. Which lathe would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews.